Rasgulla. Just hearing the name makes you smile, doesn't it? These soft and chewy cheese balls swimming in sweet syrup are a favorite dessert all over India. They come from Bengal, a place in eastern India, and people have loved them for a very long time. The special cheese and the sugary syrup make Rasgulla a treat you can't resist. Whether it's a holiday, a party, or just a yummy ending to your meal, Rasgulla is always there to make it better. And guess what? You can make this delicious dessert right in your own kitchen. It's easier than you think, and I promise you'll love the results. Let's learn how to make perfect Rasgulla together. The secret to an amazing Rasgulla is the Chhena. It's a fresh, soft cheese made from milk. Making Chhena is the first and most important step. First, we need whole milk. Pour the milk into a big pot and let it boil. Once it's bubbling, slowly pour in a mix of water and lemon juice while stirring gently. You'll see the milk start to separate. The Chhena will be the solid part, and the whey will be the watery part. Keep stirring until they're completely separated. Now, place a clean cloth over a colander and pour the milk mixture into it. Wash the Chhena with cold water to remove any lemony taste. Gather the cloth's edges and hang the Chhena for about half an hour to get rid of extra water. Now, our Chhena is ready to become delicious Rasgulla. Time for the fun part, kneading the Chhena. This step gives Rasgulla its soft and spongy texture. Put the drained Chhena on a clean flat surface. Gently knead it with the bottom part of your hand. At first, the Chhena will be crumbly, but as you keep kneading, it will become smooth, like dough. Keep kneading for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll see the Chhena release some moisture and become shiny and easy to work with. A well-kneaded Chhena will be soft and hold its shape without falling apart. Once the Chhena is ready, divide it into small equal balls. Roll each portion between your hands to make them smooth. Our Rasgulla are ready for their sweet bath. While we're busy making our Chhena balls perfect, let's make the sugar syrup that will make them sweet. In a wide pan, mix sugar and water. Heat it on the stove and stir until the sugar disappears. The syrup's thickness is important. It should be a little sticky, not too thick or too thin. Carefully add the Chhena balls to the boiling syrup. Cover the pan and let them simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Watch as the Rasgulla puff up and become double in size. Don't stir the Rasgulla while they cook, or they might break. Once they're cooked, turn off the heat and let them cool down in the syrup. This helps them soak up all the sweetness and become nice and juicy. Making Rasgulla is like art, and here are some secrets to make yours perfect. Chhena texture. The Chhena shouldn't be too wet or too dry. Too much water will make the Rasgulla heavy, and too little will make them dry. Kneading. Knead the Chhena gently but firmly. If you knead it too much, the Rasgulla will be chewy instead of spongy. Syrup thickness. The sugar syrup should be just right. To test it, drop a little bit of syrup in a bowl of water. It should form a soft ball. Cooking time. Don't cook the Rasgulla for too long. They're ready when they become twice their size and float to the top of the syrup. Cooling time. Let the Rasgulla cool down completely in the syrup before you eat them. This makes them even tastier. Our homemade Rasgulla are ready. Carefully take the Rasgulla out of the syrup and put them in a bowl. You can eat them cold or at room temperature. To make them extra special, decorate them with chopped pistachios, almond slivers, or a few drops of rose water. Rasgulla is super versatile. You can have them as dessert, share them with friends, or enjoy them as a midday treat. Taking a bite of a soft, juicy Rasgulla is a delightful experience that will brighten your day. From a small region in India to becoming a global favorite, Rasgulla continues to win hearts and taste buds. Making Rasgulla at home shows love and celebrates the wonderful food tradition of India. It's more than just a dessert, it's about tradition, happiness, and sharing something sweet with people you care about. So grab your ingredients, put on your apron, and start this delicious adventure. With every bite of your homemade Rasgulla, enjoy the sweetness of tradition and the joy of making something truly special.